Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and healthy. This is the chapter number 3, File Management, Organization of Data, Part 2, video number 18. The next topic is transferring data from one drive device to another. So we can transfer our data on a flash drive, memory card, removable disk, or to a new folder on your computer. So transferring is done by copying and moving the data from one drive to another. Now question is that what do you mean by copying and what do you mean by moving? Copy means the data will remain in its original location and also appear in the new location. And the move means data will get removed from its original location and appear in the new location only. And the for move and cut, both are same. Sometimes we use cut and sometimes we use move. But the function of both words same. Move and cut. Now these are the steps we have to follow. Now the steps are, number 1 step is navigate and open the drive or folder containing the data you want to transfer. Second step, select the data and file. Next, click on organize. Then click on cut or copy. So first time I just click on copy. Now next step is navigate the drive or folder where you want your data to be pasted. So I just want to paste my data on desktop only. So right click on it and click on paste. So now this is my data. Now next method for cut, again now I just want to delete this folder from the desktop. Yes. Now again same steps. Now select the file, then click on organize. Now this time I just want to click on cut. Then minimize the window. Right click on the desktop and click on paste. Now again open. Now there is no any folder name, that is presentation, because in the cut the data will get removed from its original location and only appear in the new location. Now this is the new location on a desktop. Now next topic is transferring data from one device to another. So we can easily transfer data to device connected to your computer. In this example, we can copying a single file in a pen drive attached to the computer, but these steps also work if you select multiple files. You can also use these steps to copy a folder also. Now the steps are attach the pen drive to the computer, then navigate and open the folder containing file you want to copy. You can choose the any file. Now I choose the Radhika file here. So select the file. After that press the Alt key, Alt Alt. After that click on edit. Then click on copy to folder. Then this dialog box appear in which you will select your pen drive, that is a removable disk. Click on it, then click on copy. Now you can easily see, click on my computer. After that click on removable disk. This is your file Radhika. Now I just want to delete this file from here. Again select your file. After that click on Alt key. After that click on Edit. Then move to folder. Then click on removable disk, and after that move. You can see that the file is not appear in your documents library. Now the next topic is transferring data to CD or DVD. So these are the simple steps you have to follow. Total 12 steps. So you have to do this practical by yourself only. Now next topic is working with multiple files. So sometimes we need to run multiple programs at once to complete a task. For that we need to know how to switch from one program to another. For example, you can use a browser to surf internet, word processor to write a letter, calculator to calculate, and the music player to listen to music in the background, all open and ready for you to use throughout your day. You can easily and quickly navigate between these programs as you need them, which lets you work with your computer. So the first is switch between windows. So if you have more than one window open on your screen, you can easily switch between the windows. So with the help of taskbar, you can switch between windows. Here the two windows are open. The first one is Paint window and the second one is WordPad window. The active window appears in front of all other windows and display a dark title bar. The taskbar display an icon. This is the taskbar. The taskbar display an icon for each open window on your screen. This is the icon for Paint window and this is the icon for WordPad. Now, to display the window you want to work with in front of all other windows, click its icon on the taskbar. Now, this is the WordPad window. Now, I want to work on Paint window. Just click on the icon. Now, this is the Paint window. Now, I work on WordPad window. Then click on icon. Then again, Paint window. So, by these steps, you can easily switch between windows with the help of taskbar icons. Now the next is switch between windows using keyboard. For that, press and hold Alt key and press Tab key. After that, Windows 7 display a thumbnails version of open windows on the desktop. These all are the thumbnails. After that, press the Tab key until the window in which you want to work is selected. So I start to tap the Tab key. Then document WordPad, then Microsoft PowerPoint, then Classics Chapter 4, then desktop, then again Classics, then Paint program. So release your Tab key. Now this is your Paint program. So with the help of keyboard, you can also switch between the windows. Now the next topic is Snap. So Snap feature in Windows is used to resize and arrange the open windows by simply dragging their borders to the edge of your screen. These are the borders of the screens. So this feature is used to resize and arrange the open windows by simply dragging their borders to the edge of your screen, depending on which edge you choose. Top, this one, bottom, left, or right. The window will expand vertically, fill the screen, or you can even position windows side by side. Snap makes reading, organizing, and comparing window efficiently. To use this feature, open any two application windows. I open here one Paint program and second one is WordPad. After that, now drag one of the application window. This is the edge, border edge. This is a double-sided arrow appear on the screen. After that, drag it. You can easily see that the window size reduce. Then again Now this is the second window. Then again the double-sided arrow appear. Then press the left button of your mouse, keep it pressed and drag your mouse in this way. Now this is the first window, that is the WordPad, and second one is Paint program. So you can also increase the size from bottom side also, like expand this one, then this one also, reduce the size and expand the size. According to your requirement you can perform. Top side also, left side also, right side also, and bottom also. Rest part of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you.